In this episode here, we're going to highlight the Ford Public and Police Special Service vehicles and all the upgrades Mevotech has engineered to provide the entire platform with the upgraded solutions necessary for continuous fleet usage. All parts have had significant enhancements to improve their durability.
So Victor, walk me through the upgrades and what the platforms offer.
Well, let's start first with the Mevotech Supreme rear upper control arm bushing. We've upgraded this bushing to a sintered spherical design that is serviceable for superior part life. And it all started with feedback from a repair facility that services a local regional police force. They came to Mevotech asking for an improved design over the OE-style bushing. Now, due to the suspension design and geometry of this particular vehicle, this bushing is under constant loading and can fail sometimes as early as 20,000 miles. Working with their information, we developed a replacement that incorporates a cross-axis bushing that uses sintered metal bearings, and we made it greasable. With their help, we were able to test and trial our design, proving it highly effective in these demanding applications. And as always, we include all the hardware required for an easy install.
So tell me, Victor, about the biggest benefits to this complete platform offering. We've got a lot of parts here. What are the other parts that are included in this platform?
Well, in addition to the standalone bushing, we have the complete rear upper control arm assembly. These also include the upgraded bushings for a complete repair. We have upgraded the front lower control arms, front and rear stabilizer bar end links, and outer tie rod with sintered metal bearings for enhanced durability. And as always, all the hardware is included for a complete installation.
That's interesting. So basically, all of these parts would cover the platform for those high-demanding fleet vehicles in that Ford family of police vehicles, like the Police Interceptor utility and the sedan as well.
Absolutely. Complete coverage engineered specifically for high use and high demanding applications.